Hey guys, I was going to shoot a video, but instead I'm being asked to share with you, let me see if I can share with you what I have written. Dang, I need something, hang on. Some things need not be spoken, only read. So let's get down. Let's do this. Oops. I guess I could read it to you. I'm trying to show you every little bit so you could see it. There, maybe you can zoom in. Hold on. Do I have it all in there? Maybe you can zoom in, but... So it says, fire coming out of the mouth. Words spoken has so much power. Power of the tongue is like fire coming out. Then you have higher selves calling in union for next step. If you hear me talking on the wind, the mind, calling in, preparing for battle. Coming home, back to the stars. This has never felt like home. I've never felt comfortable in this skin/body. Back to your true nature. And then it says title. And then we have this. Okay, so maybe you can zoom in, but... Ready or not, here I come, I'm gonna find you. Notice how they didn't put anything there? I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Quake. And this is a channeled message by, Sirena, the one and only Barefoot Rose. So, I think you guys are getting the gist of it, huh? Higher selves calling in union for next step. It's giving me that whole, I heard wise men, but the two witnesses, which were wise men, right? Calling in the pairs, calling in four corners. I'm not sure what that... The angels of the corners. I mean, it's like, yeah, preparing. Quotations, right? Coming home to you. I just want to go home. And it's never been an earthly home. It's always been home back where you came from. I'm hearing you're coming into alignment with this. You're aligning with that because you're waking up. Back to your true nature. Ready or not, here I come. All will know that I am He. So there's your channeled messages. Some was from yesterday, as you could tell. Notice how we have Neo. So the whole Matrix vibe of Neo and Trinity. There's many, but there's truly only one. But it's really two. It's a pair. They back each other up. They're complete when they're together, in a sense. It's like the yin and the yang. It's a perfect circle, I just heard. So maybe you guys like that band, Perfect Circle. All right, well, I love you guys. Peace.